Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter human reproduction, and in that we are studying topic amniotic fluid. Now amniotic fluid is the one which is present around the fetus or the baby. So let's study about it today. Amniotic fluid is just present in the embryo region, or simply I could say once the baby is born, or you simply said fertilization is done, the morula stage, blastocell stage, everything is done and implantation has been done. Then forms the amniotic fluid, which is just a covering around the child or the fetus. Now amniotic fluid which is present around the embryo protect it or the child from temperature changes or shock changes or any shock that's happening in that region. Amniotic fluid will protect the child or the embryo. It gives freedom for movement, also the muscle development, or just to move or shake in the uterus region of the mother is allowed or just given flexibility by the amniotic fluid. Now since amniotic fluid is an aquatic medium which helps the embryo also develop symmetrically in order. So students, this was amniotic fluid and I hope you all are clear with this concept. Thank you.